Hello, my dear friends. Good morning. I am Jijo Vijayan here. In this podcast, I want to teach you how to make a free website. As you know, in the digital world, it is absolutely necessary for you to have your own website. And how to make a website fast and easy? It is very simple. There are various platforms in the internet through which you can make a free website. I've been using many of them for long time and I found it very effective. The platform that I like most is strikingly.com. This is a relatively new company and it is very easy to create a website using Strikingly. There are many facilities in Strikingly like starting a blog, you can post videos, photos, you can just post subscriber button. So many facilities are there. It is fast and easy to create, and below this video I have given the links to go to Strikingly is a very good platform you can use for creating website. The most popular platform to create website is wordpress.com. In WordPress there are thousands of free templates. It's just one click and you can change the theme. It is fast and easy. There are hundreds of plugins using which you can add a subscription, you can add an e-commerce site, you can add many things. And WordPress is the most popular platform in the world for creating a free website fast and easy. The other popular platform is blogger.com. Blogger, as I told you before, it's a Google company and it is very easy to create a blogger website. What you need to do is to just log into your Gmail, then type blogger.com. There are many templates to choose and you can select a template and start blogging or make a website. You can also add a domain to this blog and it will look like a perfect site. It is easy to get indexed in the search engine because this Google company, and what you need to be careful is that you should take a theme that is appealing to the people according to your niche. The other platform which is very popular nowadays is Wix.com. Wix.com is a wonderful website with hundreds of templates that will allow you to create a website or landing page very fast and easy. I have personally used the same, but sometimes you will find it tough to drag and drop uh, various images and sections like that, but still it is a good platform for beginners to create a website or an e-commerce store, and thousands of people from around the globe are using this particular platform. Creating a website is extremely important for your digital identity because people know about you through your website and the content you provide. So you need to put up the best of your ability and create blog content and give feedback regarding various products and services you offer through your website. Your website is the interface of you to the outside world. People will judge you regarding your products, services, or regarding your personality through your website. If you provide original content and if you can influence people in large numbers, you become an influencer, and people may buy the product and services you may refer according to your reputation. If you have a very strong reputation, thousands of people will follow you, they will obey what you say, and that is a source to make huge amount of money in future. So to create your online reputation, a website is extremely important because website is going to create your identity. So create a wonderful website and add content to it regularly, interact with the people in your website. Some features are must. One is an opt-in form or pop-up form where people can sign up for your newsletter. Second, install a live chat in your website. There are many companies like Sumo, then ClickDesk, etc. Just copy and paste the HTML code, then a chat window will automatically appear. So anybody who is coming to your website, that person can chat with you, and the chatbot will send the chat to your email. So you know that the people have visited your website and they wanted to ask something or give a feedback on something. Third thing, the website should load fast. Many hosting companies are there, they are poor service providers. So when you host your website, you have to understand that you should host your website in the best platform, technically superior, and the website should load fast. Your homepage should not contain heavy graphics or other stuff, videos, because of which it will not load fast. If it is taking more than 5 seconds to load your website, you will not become successful. Your homepage should load fast, and it should be easily navigable, it should be good looking, and it should be search engine friendly. If all these factors are combined, then only the website will become successful. So before you start a website, do research and find out how to make a good website. Do not try to make a website alone. Initially it is okay, but after some time I suggest you personally consult with a web designer who is well experienced and make a beautiful website and maintain the website. Try to create as many subscribers to your website or blog, and these subscribers you need to interact with them on a day-to-day basis and give them better value, better products and services. Imagine you have a subscriber base of 5,000 people, and these 5,000 people are your audience, and this audience are the people who will really make you very rich. So be extremely careful while you're launching the website, and you have to take it very seriously, because you need to work a lot on your website. After a few years you will find that the website will start giving you revenue automatically in the form of from advertisement, because of the clicks generated from the affiliate links, and thousands of people may read your blog and get value from that. They will share your blog automatically in social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc., and that will drive huge amount of traffic towards your website. You become a brand. You need not have to do much marketing after some time, but in the initial years you need to have very strong marketing pitch, then only you will become successful. And do not expect quick results. It is a painful journey in the digital world because of very stiff competition from people. So always focus on trying to create original content, better content, write good blogs, create wonderful videos, and engage people, give value to the people, and increase their enthusiasm while they come to visit your website. And any person who is coming to visit your website should learn something new. That should be your criteria. Imagine you are the person who is visiting your own website, and just think, are you happy with your website from the user point of view? Always think from the user point of view, and if there is any shortcomings, please take care of that. Make your website better and better every day. There are bloggers who are making huge amount of money through blogging, promoting online content, selling digital products and services, giving advices to people, and what they all focus is original content, and they are focused on giving value to customers. Over deliver, deliver more than what you have. That is the mantra. And when you deliver more than what you have, the customers will be happy and they will keep coming back to you. The trust is to be developed. Once you develop the trust of thousands of people online, definitely you become an influencer, and that is a way to success. So do not wait. Create a website today itself using any of these platforms: wix.com, wordpress.com, blogger.com, strikingly.com. There are many other platforms also through which you can make website. If you are wanting to make an e-commerce online store, you can use etsy.com or shopify.com, and these are all wonderful platforms where you can sell your own products and services with a single click. Thank you very much for hearing this podcast. I will be coming up with a more and podcast on better topics, other topics in future. So if you like this podcast, share this video with other friends, and get details about how to create a website. All the links to the platforms are given below this video, so that you can go to those platforms and understand and try to create a website today itself. All the best. I am Jijo Vijayan here from Jijo Vijayan's Affiliate Program Academy. Thank you very much.